here's the One Team Working COVID-19 update for Friday, the 31st of July. So in terms of learning and development, over the course of the pandemic, we have had to adapt our approach. Our usual training content has adapted and evolved in line with government guidelines, and we've gone to great lengths to make sure that training received is not only at the highest standard it can be, but also that it's delivered in the safest way possible. As of the 3rd of August, we're pleased to say that we'll be offering back our full training curriculum, but please rest assured that we are working hard with all intersources to ensure it's delivered safely and still in line with government guidelines. All the sessions have been risk assessed, relevant measures are put in place. For example, frequent use of wizard water, designated floor markings for practical sessions, etc. Also, just a comment on apprenticeships. You may already be aware, but we've had to put a pause on any enrolments onto an apprenticeship, and this is just because of restrictions to external visitors into the homes and ensuring the working environment remains as safe as possible. We are keeping in contact, regular contact with the training providers and reviewing government guidance regularly as well. So we'll update you, but watch this space to know when apprenticeships will be available again. There's been a few updates from government guidelines this week, some questions that came through staff meetings to go through. How are we affected with changes to government guidance on travelling abroad? So this is really important. The guidance on travelling to Spain, both mainland and the island, has changed, with the government advising against all non-essential travel to Spain. We are therefore asking staff to follow that advice and not travel to Spain or other countries that are not part of an agreed travel corridor list. Anyone that does travel to Spain or to a country that's not on the list will have to self-isolate on their return, which is currently for 14 days, and this will be unpaid. A list of travel guidance to all countries can be found on the government website, and this is being updated as necessary. If you're travelling, if you're travelling outside the UK, you should indicate which country you're travelling to when you book your annual leave on Zone Standard. Any staff who booked leave in advance at a time when there was no requirement to indicate a destination on the form, they will be contacted by an IMS partner before their leave, so that we can just be informed of which country you may be visiting. Another question being, has the COVID-19 self-isolation period changed? The answer is yes. The period for anyone self-isolating with symptoms of COVID-19 has changed from 7 to 10 days. This means that staff with symptoms should get a test as before, so nothing has changed in that respect, but you will not be able to attend work for a period of 10 days. Staff will be paid SSP provided that an isolation note has been submitted to the IMS partners. We had a really lovely thank you to the Coach House team. Staff kept in regular contact with an individual who had to self-isolate for 3 months and calling them every week and lifting their spirits. So a really lovely card, wine and some chocolate cake were delivered, and very well served, and I know everyone really appreciated that gesture. So thank you very much and well done everyone. Lots coming up in August. The activity meetings have been brilliant. The activity coordinators, so individuals in the homes who are activity coordinators, are coming up with some really great ideas. Here's just some for August already. So neon party with glow sticks. There's going to be a Hawaiian party with possibly with a live stream DJ set as well, which is quite exciting. There's going to be a canvas competition, and all of the canvases made will replace artwork in the communal areas. There's going to be a make your own bird feeder, junk modelling, and HFHC's Got Talent coming up, which is very exciting. So yeah, watch this space for more details and start thinking of some of the talents in the homes the individuals might want to share. And then here are some photos from what's happening this week. Thanks everyone, have a really lovely weekend, enjoy the summer fair tomorrow, and I shall speak to you again on Tuesday.